On TechVerse, we're uncovering 20 brand new DeWalt tools on Amazon that are redefining how professionals get serious work done. These aren't minor updates. Each tool solves real job site problems. And every product featured today has its official Amazon link waiting in the description. If you want to know which new DeWalt tools are actually worth buying right now, don't skip this. This list is built for smart, confident upgrades. DeWalt 20V Max Plastic Tubing Cutter. Cutting plastic tubing cleanly is harder than it looks, especially when rough cuts cause leaks or rework. The DeWalt 20V Max Plastic Tubing Cutter is designed to deliver fast, square cuts on common plastic piping used in plumbing and mechanical work. In real job site use, it saves time when working with PEX, PVC, or similar materials by eliminating manual sawing and uneven edges. The cordless design keeps one hand free for positioning, which improves control in tight spaces. If you want cleaner cuts, faster installs, and less fatigue during repetitive tubing work, this tool delivers practical efficiency right where it matters. DeWalt DCS 577 714 60V Max Circular Saw. Heavy framing cuts demand torque, balance, and consistency, and this saw is built exactly for that level of work. The DeWalt DCS 577 FlexVolt worm drive style circular saw is designed to deliver high torque for long rip cuts and dense materials without bogging down. In real job site use, it shines when cutting LVL, pressure-treated lumber, and full sheets where power and stability matter most. The rear handle design improves control and line tracking during extended cuts. If you want corded level performance with cordless freedom for serious cutting tasks, this saw delivers confidence on every pass. DeWalt TOUGHSERIES Construction Jack. Lifting, positioning, and holding heavy materials alone is one of the hardest parts of job site work. The DeWalt TOUGHSERIES Construction Jack is designed to give you controlled lifting power for tasks like installing cabinets, doors, windows, or heavy panels. In real-world use, it allows precise height adjustments with one hand, keeping materials steady while you fasten or align them. This reduces strain and improves accuracy, especially when working solo. Built for tough environments, it's made to handle daily job site abuse. If you want safer, more controlled lifting without relying on extra help, this jack becomes an instant problem solver. DeWalt TOUGHSERIES Dead Blow Hammer. When precise force matters more than raw impact, a dead blow hammer is the right tool. The DeWalt TOUGHSERIES Dead Blow Hammer is designed to deliver controlled strikes while minimizing rebound. In real job site use, it's commonly used for seating framing members, adjusting forms, aligning metal components, or persuading parts into place without damaging surfaces. The internal weighted design helps transfer energy efficiently while keeping the hammer from bouncing back toward the user. This improves accuracy and safety during repetitive strikes. If you want reliable control when positioning or fitting materials, this hammer delivers a confident impact without unnecessary shock. DeWalt 20V Max GRABO Lifter. Handling large, smooth materials alone is one of the biggest risks on a job site, and this tool is built to eliminate that struggle. The DeWalt 20V Max GRABO Lifter uses powered vacuum suction to lift and hold materials like glass, tile, metal sheets, stone slabs, and finished panels. In real job site use, it allows one person to move and position heavy materials with far more control and less strain. The cordless design keeps it portable, while the sealed suction pad maintains grip during placement. If you work with heavy flat materials and want safer handling without extra manpower, this lifter delivers serious job site confidence. DeWalt 20V Max Transfer Pump. Moving water quickly on a job site can turn into a mess if the tool isn't reliable. The DeWalt 20V Max Transfer Pump is designed to move water from one location to another without dragging cords or setting up bulky equipment. In real-world use, it's especially useful for draining flooded areas, emptying water heaters, transferring water from containers, or clearing trenches after rain. The cordless design makes it easy to deploy anywhere, even where power isn't available. Simple hose connections keep setup fast and straightforward. If you want a portable, dependable way to move water without downtime, This pump delivers practical job site efficiency. DeWalt 20V Max Pipe Deburring Tool. Rough pipe edges can cause leaks, poor fittings, and wasted time fixing avoidable mistakes. The DeWalt 20V Max Pipe Deburring Tool is designed to clean and smooth pipe edges quickly after cutting. In real job site use, it's especially helpful for plumbing, FAC, and mechanical work where clean pipe preparation is critical before joining or swaging. The cordless design allows one-handed operation, making it easy to use in tight spaces or overhead runs. Consistent deburring improves fit and reduces rework during installation. If you want faster pipe prep with cleaner, more reliable connections, this tool adds precision where it matters most. DeWalt 20V Max Copper Swage Toolkit. Proper swaging is all about consistency, and doing it by hand can be slow and tiring. The DeWalt 20V Max Copper Swage Toolkit is designed to expand copper tubing evenly, so fittings slide in cleanly without extra couplers. In real job site use, it's a major time saver for plumbing and HVAC installs where speed and leak-free connections matter. The cordless operation keeps setup simple, even in tight mechanical rooms. Consistent expansion helps ensure reliable joints across repeated connections. If you want faster installs with professional quality results and less physical strain, this Swage tool delivers controlled performance you can trust. DeWalt 20V Max Hammer Drill. When drilling moves from wood into masonry, power and control suddenly matter a lot more. The DeWalt 20V Max Hammer Drill is designed to handle drilling in wood, metal, and concrete by switching seamlessly between standard drilling and hammer action. In real job site use, it's relied on for setting anchors, mounting frames, and handling renovation work where materials change constantly. The cordless platform keeps movement fast, without extension cords slowing things down. Consistent power delivery helps reduce bit walking and user fatigue. If you need one drill that adapts to multiple materials without hesitation, this hammer drill delivers dependable, everyday performance. DeWalt 20V Max XR Cutoff Tool. Quick, controlled cuts are often needed where full-size saws are awkward or unsafe. The DeWalt 20V Max XR Cutoff Tool is designed for fast cutting of metal, tile, masonry, and plastic using compact abrasive or diamond wheels. In real job site use, it's ideal for trimming conduit, cutting rebar, slicing tile, or making precise plunge cuts in tight spaces. The compact cordless design improves control and visibility, especially during one-handed operation. It's easy to deploy without setup delays. If you want precise job site ready cutting power in a small, portable form, this cutoff tool delivers speed and control exactly when you need it. DeWalt 20V Max Drywall Screwgun. Drywall work gets exhausting fast when every screw requires careful depth control. The DeWalt 20V Max Drywall Screwgun is designed to drive screws to a consistent depth without tearing paper or overdriving fasteners. In real job site use, it speeds up hanging drywall, installing backer board, and fastening panels where uniform results matter. The specialized nose cone helps maintain control and repeatability, reducing rework and fatigue during long sessions. Being cordless keeps movement smooth across large rooms without dragging cords. If you want faster installs with clean, professional finishes, this screw gun delivers controlled performance that pays off wall after wall. DeWalt 20V Max Hydraulic Knockout Toolkit. Creating clean, precise holes in metal panels is slow and risky with drills alone, and that's exactly why this tool exists. The DeWalt 20V Max Hydraulic Knockout Toolkit is designed to punch perfectly round holes in electrical panels, boxes, and sheet metal with minimal effort. In real job site use, it's trusted by electricians and installers for conduit openings where accuracy and edge quality matter. The hydraulic action delivers smooth, controlled force without deforming the material. Cordless operation keeps setup fast in tight spaces. If you want clean holes with less strain and professional results every time, this tool delivers serious job site efficiency. DeWalt 20V Max Circular Saw Kit. A cordless circular saw becomes the backbone of daily cutting when it's powerful enough to handle real materials without hesitation. The DeWalt 20V Max Circular Saw Kit is designed for ripping and cross-cutting plywood, framing lumber, and sheet goods with consistent performance. In real job site use, it's relied on for fast layout cuts, breakdown work, and on-the-fly adjustments where setup time matters. The included battery and charger make it ready to work straight out of the box. Balanced handling improves control during long cuts. If you want dependable cordless cutting that fits naturally into everyday work, this saw delivers practical, job site-ready performance. DeWalt 20V Max Transfer Pump. When water removal becomes a repeated job, having a more complete setup makes a real difference. The DeWalt 20V Max Transfer Pump Contractor Kit variant is designed for frequent, demanding use where speed and reliability matter. In real job site scenarios, it's used for draining trenches, emptying water heaters, clearing flooded areas, or moving water between tanks without setting up cords. The contractor kit typically adds convenience with additional accessories for faster deployment. Cordless operation keeps it flexible in remote areas. If you regularly deal with water management on site, this upgraded kit delivers efficiency you can count on day after day. DeWalt POWERSHIFT 554W Battery. Large-scale cordless tools are only as good as the power behind them, and this battery is built for serious demand. The DeWalt POWERSHIFT 554W battery is designed to deliver high-capacity energy for heavy-duty equipment that traditionally relied on gas or corded power. In real job site use, it supports extended run times on demanding tools like compactors, rammers, and other POWERSHIFT equipment. The rugged construction is built for harsh environments, while the quick swap design helps reduce downtime. If you want gas-free performance without sacrificing runtime or reliability, this battery becomes the foundation of DeWalt's next-generation cordless job site system. DeWalt POWERSHIFT 554W Charger. High-capacity batteries only make sense when charging keeps pace with the workday, and this charger is built for exactly that role. The DeWalt POWERSHIFT 554W Charger is designed to recharge large-format POWERSHIFT batteries efficiently and reliably between jobs. In real job site use, it helps crews rotate batteries with minimal downtime, keeping heavy-duty cordless equipment moving without long waits. The robust design is made for rough environments where chargers take daily abuse. Clear indicators make it easy to monitor charging status at a glance. If you're investing in DeWalt's POWERSHIFT system, this charger is the backbone that keeps your tools powered and your workflow uninterrupted. DeWalt 220V Max XR Push Mower. Cordless outdoor equipment only works if it can match real-world job site demands, and this mower is built with that mindset. The DeWalt 220V Max XR Push Mower is designed to run on two 20V batteries at once, delivering the power needed for consistent cutting without gas, cords, or pull starts. In real use, it's ideal for property maintenance, job site cleanup, and contractors managing outdoor spaces efficiently. Battery power keeps operation quiet and low maintenance, while cordless freedom simplifies storage and transport. If you want a reliable, gas-free mower that fits into an existing DeWalt battery ecosystem, this tool delivers practical performance without the hassle. DeWalt POWERSHIFT 60 kg Class Rammer. Soil compaction is one of those tasks that demands raw power and control, and doing it without gas is a big shift for job sites. The DeWalt POWERSHIFT 60 kg Class Rammer is designed to deliver consistent compaction force for trenches, foundations, and patchwork while running on battery power. In real job site use, it removes the noise, fumes, and startup issues that come with gas-powered rammers. The cordless design also simplifies transport and indoor or enclosed area work. If you need reliable compaction with lower maintenance and cleaner operation, this rammer shows how far cordless heavy equipment has come. DeWalt POWERSHIFT Forward Plate Compactor. Flat surface compaction requires steady force and consistent control, and this tool is built to deliver both without gas. The DeWalt POWERSHIFT Forward Plate Compactor is designed for compacting soil, gravel, and asphalt during walkways, driveways, and foundation prep. In real job site use, it provides reliable compaction while eliminating fuel mixing, pull starts, and exhaust fumes. Battery power also makes it suitable for indoor or enclosed spaces where gas equipment isn't practical. Reduced vibration improves operator comfort during longer sessions. If you want clean, low-maintenance compaction with professional results, this plate compactor delivers serious performance in a cordless package. DeWalt POWERSHIFT Backpack Concrete Vibrator. Proper concrete consolidation is critical for strength and finish quality, and this tool is built to make that job cleaner and more efficient. The DeWalt POWERSHIFT Backpack Concrete Vibrator is designed to deliver consistent vibration while keeping the motor weight comfortably on the operator's back. In real job site use, it's ideal for slabs, footings, and forms where freedom of movement matters. The cordless system eliminates gas fumes, pull starts, and cord management, especially in confined areas. Balanced weight distribution reduces fatigue during extended pours. If you want reliable concrete vibration with modern cordless convenience, this tool brings professional performance to demanding pours. If this breakdown helped you understand which new DeWalt tools are truly worth buying right now, hit like so other pros can find it too. Drop a comment and tell us which tool surprised you most, or which one you'd add to your setup. And for honest, no hype tool reviews that focus on real job site value, subscribe to TechVerse, because smart tools make hard work easier.